Hello again. In this lecture, I'm going to talk about how to craft a business formal email, how to style your email, and what to be very aware of certain techniques while writing and styling our formal business email. First thing is your tone of voice. Be very careful in what tone you are writing your email. No use of caps lock. The use of all caps lock option is forbidden in formal and professional emails. Why? Because it makes you sound impolite, like you're shouting to the recipient. And maybe you use caps lock for shedding light or emphasizing an information or a piece of data. But using the caps lock option makes you look more unprofessional, more blunt. So if you want to shed light on a certain piece of information, you can bold a certain word, you can underline this sentence, you can use the italics option. All of these options can do to the purpose you want to convey, but never use the all caps lock option. You can use the bold, italics or underlining option to emphasize what you want to say or a certain piece of information, but never use the all caps lock option. Another thing regarding the tone of voice in writing your email is please stop using emojis. Stop using excessive exclamation marks. Excessive punctuation marks make you seem unprofessional, make your email looks weak. Excessive exclamation marks, excessive commas, excessive full stops gives a very negative impression about yourself and your email. The second thing is formatting your email, the general look, the final look of your email. I'm going to talk about the font. As I told you before, the font should be between number 12 and number 14, not more than 14 and not less than 12. There are certain fonts that we use in business professional emails. These fonts are, for example, the Arial font, the Times New Roman font, the Sans Serif font, and more professional fonts. But these three are the most usable fonts we use in our business emails. Bearing in mind a very small information that there are some email providers that don't provide the option of the font size in numbers. You find the tab of the font size in maybe 3 font sizes, small, medium, and large. In this, or while using these email providers, you should use mostly the medium size font, not the large one and not the small one. Other thing that you have to bear in mind formatting your email is you should use short paragraphs. No long sentences, no complicated English sentences, no compound sentences, and no long paragraphs. You should use, or you should convey what you want to say in simple English, simple expressions, very easy to comprehend and understand, and in short paragraphs. If you followed what I have been saying in the past 3 steps, you will be able very easily to write an easy, comprehensible, direct, professional email, and you will be able to convey what you want to say to the recipient in a very easy, formal way. Thank you and see you in the next section.